Hello viewers, hope you are well. So welcome to Becker Live channel. Today's video I will show you that I just got uh, 13 chicks out of 14 eggs. So how I save my chicks, how I feed my chicks, I will thoroughly describe in this video. So before I start, I want to say if you're watching my video first time, please subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon to get latest video update. So let's start. Now I'm going to see you that where I save them. Look at this. There is nothing. Look, in this cage I set them. Look, there's too many chicks. Here is the mom, and these all chicks are healthy. They are just 2 days old. So now I'm going to pick one by one. Look, ooh, this is not that. Okay. 4, 5, and 30. All are safe. I'm going to move them. Okay. Here's the outside. I'm now going to release them this way. Mom is out and chicks also. Oh no. All of chicks here. Now I'm going to feed them. And most of the South Asian people eat their chicks is rice. Look at this. Here is rice. I saved them in a jar. Now I'm going to look there. Oh my god. 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 They're trying to escape. I give them here. Look how they eating. So if you have chicks, then I have some tips for you that how you can get a healthy chicks. Okay, first time you have to take care of all chicks. Those chicks all are grown by naturally. There is no artificial. I never use any incubator or machine. So it's totally natural way to produce chicks from eggs. Here is the example. I set up this chicken by 14 eggs, and I got 13 chicks from 14 eggs. Okay, so all of my chicks are healthy. Okay, I feed them 4 times in a day. Look at this. They are enjoying their feed. They are just 2 days old. Okay, just 2 days old. Look, they are eating happily. So you can call the happy chicks. Look, their mom calling to feed. Look, so these rice are broken rice, not full rice. Now I'm going to show you that. If you see, all of rice is broken because this small feed is very important for these chicks because they are just 2 days old. I will feed them this feed till 15 days. Till their age is 15 days, I will try to feed them this feed. Also, you have to release them for 3 to 4 hours every day, okay, so that they will grow up fastly. In this area too many predators, that's why I have to protect for them. Okay, look, they're too much happy. Okay, so viewers, if you want to know more about how to take care of your chicks, then follow my channel. I will update every single day for these chicks. Okay, so no more today. Talk to you later with another videos.